Looking for an affordable classic car or truck to restore? In this video, we've found 11 classic cars and trucks, starting as low as $1,000. Whether you're searching for a Chevy Bel-Air, Ford Galaxie, Buick Wildcat, or even a Cadillac DeVille, we've got a variety of project cars ready for a new owner. Most of these vehicles are running projects with tons of potential. Some just need minor work, while others are full restoration projects. If you're a classic car enthusiast looking for your next build, this list has something for you. 1. 1963 Chevrolet Bel-Air, $2,200, Wetumpka, Alabama. A 1963 Chevrolet Bel-Air project car priced at $2,200. It features a 230 inline-six engine, currently locked up, and a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The body is very straight with minimal rust, though the hood needs replacement or repair. Comes with an extra 250 inline-six engine, all original hubcaps, and complete trim except for the front bumper. A solid buildable classic. 2. 1962 Buick Special, $1,000, Vinmont, Alabama. This 1962 Buick Special is a complete four-door sedan in need of restoration, priced at $1,000 firm. The car is intact, making it a great starting point for a full rebuild or restoration project. The seller has found another project and is looking to pass this one along to a new owner. 3. 1969 Ford Galaxie XL, $2,800, Port Allen, Louisiana. A one-owner 1969 Ford Galaxie XL priced at $2,800. This classic Ford has been kept under a carport but has not run since 1984. The body and frame are in solid condition. Note that the tires in the pictures will not be included. A great foundation for a restoration project. 4. 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, $2,300, Houston, Texas. A 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe with 115,000 miles, priced at $2,300. It runs and drives but needs some work, including a muffler replacement and minor rust repair on the passenger side floor pan. The original 425 V8 engine is intact. The passenger door and fender have some damage, making it an ideal project car. 5. 1975 Chevrolet El Camino, $2,000, Texas City, Texas. This 1975 Chevrolet El Camino is a project vehicle priced at $2,000. It runs but has developed a knocking sound, so it may need a new engine. Floorboards need replacement and the dash cluster is non-functional. Comes with a hood not pictured and a clear title. Located in Amarillo, Texas. 1964 Plymouth Valiant, $2,250, Bonham, Texas. A well-maintained 1964 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $2,250. It features an L225 inline-six engine and an original push-button automatic transmission. The car runs and drives well with new floors and good tires, minimal surface rust, and it comes with a roll of vinyl for redoing the seats. Clear title in hand. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro LT, $2,300, Spicewood, Texas. A 1979 Chevrolet Camaro LT project car, priced at $2,300. It runs and moves under its own power but is not roadworthy yet. Recent upgrades include new fuel lines, a starter, an alternator, a shifter cable, and more. The car has significant rust and a missing title. Ideal for a budget race project or restoration. 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Laguna, $2,500, Warsaw, Missouri. This 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Laguna is a running project car priced at $2,500. It features a 350 engine with a 350 automatic transmission, new front calipers, pads, and rotors. The seller has a clear title in their name but does not have the rest of the interior. This is a solid base for a restoration or custom build. 1988 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, $20,500, Springfield, Ohio. A 1988 Chevrolet Caprice Classic with a strong running 305 V8 priced at $2,500. It has an Edelbrock carburetor, dual exhaust, and a 4-inch lift, ready for 26-inch wheels. The transmission has been removed, and the interior needs a full restoration. Comes with rally wheels, beauty rings, and center caps. (1966) Ford F-150 Custom Cab, $2,500, Mansfield, Arkansas. A 1966 Ford F-150 Custom Cab project truck priced at $2,500. It features a 390 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine turns over but has not been made to run. The truck has some rust in the bed and fender damage but is otherwise solid, no title included. (1964) Buick Wildcat, $20,500, Sylacauga, Alabama. A 1964 Buick Wildcat 2-door hardtop priced at $2,500. It comes with the original engine and transmission, as well as all chrome trim pieces. The car has a clean title and no significant damage, making it a great candidate for restoration.